Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. A while ago I bought off of Temu those two little picture frames, and the size of them is just about right for leftover resin. So if you want to know what I did with them, stay tuned. So as I already mentioned, this kind of mold is ideal for if you have leftover resin and you want to do something with it. Uh, yeah, and that's why I'm showing you this. I'm putting a little bit of glitter into my cup, and I have this resin that is almost about 30 minutes old, and you can see it's getting thick already. And my intention is that because of the resin is quite a while mixed up already, if I stir in my glitter and my color, the glitter will be dispersed throughout the resin in an evenly way, so it won't sink to the bottom. Like I said, I'm coloring my resin here. This is no alcohol ink. This is like ordinary resin ink, and I'm stirring until I don't have any streaks anymore, and then I'm pouring it into my mold. Right now I'm having some issues with my camera, so I have some missing footage. But what I did was, once the resin was cured from the frames, I put some adhesive tape on the bottoms, and I poured a really thin layer of resin in there. And this is cured already here, and I'm just taking my tape off, and I have like a really good coverage on the bottom. So as you can see here, the tape was not really straight, and so the resin hardened as the tape was in shape. But that's not really a problem because I'm pouring in another layer of resin to even it out a little bit. A while ago I bought off of Temu those stickers, which I really didn't know what to do with them until I found those little picture frames, and yeah, this is what I'm using them for. And as you can see, I poured already a thin layer of purple resin in there, which was a leftover resin too. So this is completely with leftovers, so you don't have to stir in no new resin if you have left. So yeah, nothing is perfect. Those stickers are a little bit too big, so I had to cut them to size, and this is what I'm doing now. I will let this run for you. You can fast forward or you can watch me doing this. I'll put a little bit of music on and I'll see you in a few. So as you can see here, I'm taking the sticker back out of the mold because I put it in crooked and yeah, I'm trying to reposition it. In the end, it was crooked as well. So I thought, I don't give a, yeah. And yeah, I just left it there then because I didn't want that sticker not to stick anymore. And this is what the thing looked like when I put my stickers in. So the only thing left to do is now putting a layer of resin on top to protect the stickers and make the surface shiny. Then we have to let this cure and this little leftover project is finished. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ask me questions. I like that. I really do answer them as soon as I can because it's nice to know what you think of the things that I do. And I hope I see you in my next video again. And until then, bye bye.